No one tells you how lonely it feels to outgrow people you thought would stay forever. There was a time when I'd do anything to keep certain people close. I'd chase, explain, apologize just to make things okay. But then one day, it hit me. We weren't growing together anymore. I was just growing. They still wanted the old version of me, the one who stayed quiet, played small, and made excuses for everyone. But I couldn't be that person anymore. Not when I'd learned my worth. So I stopped fighting for my place in lives that no longer had room for me. And it hurt. But it also set me free. Sometimes growth means walking alone for a while, but trust me, the peace that comes after, it's worth it. If you've ever outgrown people you still love, hit subscribe. You'll understand.